Manufacturers need to rethink the way they operate so they can embrace the next challenge. By adopting new technology, organizations can transform their workplaces, strengthen supply chains, and build more agile factories. At Avanade, we help our clients introduce new ways of working. Recently, as part of the Ventilator Challenge UK, we helped a consortium of manufacturers team up to provide 20 years' worth of ventilators in just 12 weeks. Through the power of technology, Avanade and Microsoft worked with manufacturing leaders to meet the challenge, and we can do the same for you. We'll help you rethink your workplace, enabling improved collaboration, superior remote working experiences, and safer on-site work environments, all while attracting, retaining, and upskilling employees. The Ventilator Challenge used an immersive mixed reality solution to recruit and train over 3,500 people under new workplace guidelines. Become ready for the future by creating more resilient supply chains. Gain a better understanding of performance through connected ERP and analytics solutions to enhance operational resilience and improve product traceability and compliance. The Ventilator Challenge saw over 15 million parts acquired from 88 global suppliers in just 4 weeks. A robust and agile supply chain management solution launched in just 3 weeks, and an intelligent data and AI solution delivered real-time information and reports. Rethink how to build more agile and secure factories. Achieving agility at scale with modern and optimized cloud platforms for secure continuous improvement, allowing you to unlock innovation and deliver new products and services faster than ever before. The Ventilator Challenge saw trust and selfless teamwork combine with a will-do attitude, which helped increase production by 150 times. We can help you realize the possibilities for your business. Adopt innovative thinking, new technologies, and inspirational partnerships so you can embrace the future of manufacturing. Talk to our manufacturing experts and take the first steps.